We are talking about inequalities in one triangle, and we want to recognize and apply properties of inequalities to the relationships between the angles and the sides of a triangle. So here we have a couple practice problems. And it says, order the sides of each triangle from shortest to longest. So here we have two angles that are given, and based off the triangle sum theorem, we know that these two angles plus this third angle added together should be equal to 180 degrees. So what I can say is, if I take 180 degrees and I subtract these two angles, so if I subtract 57 and I also subtract 63, that is going to give me a value for angle C. Use a calculator and we get the angle C is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, that's angle C. So now, based off what we just learned, we know that the largest side is always opposite the largest angle. And we want to place these in order from smallest triangles from shortest to longest. So which is the smallest angle? 57. So 57 is the smallest, so the smallest side is going to be opposite. So that's the smallest side, and that is going to be line segment AC. We know that the biggest side is going to be opposite 63 degrees, so the middle side is going to be opposite 60 degrees. And the side opposite is line segment AB. So the only one left, we have angle 63, or 63 degree angle. That's our largest angle. And so we get line segment BC. Go on to number 9, and we can check that the same way. This one's a little bit more straightforward, but we'll check it anyway. So we start with 180 degrees because we know triangle sum theorem, and we're going to subtract the two angles that we know. So we're going to subtract 98. And we're going to also subtract 24. And 180 minus 98 minus 24, and we get 58. So this is 58 degrees. So again, we want the smallest angle. The smallest angle is 24 degrees. So the smallest side is always opposite. So that is going to be line segment LM. That's the smallest. Then we have 58 is the next smallest angle. So that's going to be line segment KL. And then lastly, we have 98 is the largest. So the largest side is opposite. So that is going to be MK, line segment MK. We can also check in order the angles from largest to smallest. This one's a little bit easier to see sometimes, and it's the same idea. Whatever the largest side is, the largest angle is opposite. So if we look at 11, 12, and 9, this one's a little backwards. We want to order the angles from largest to smallest. We want to start with the largest. The largest side is 12, so the largest angle is angle F. The next, or the middle side, is 11, so the middle angle is angle E. And the smallest side is 9, and that's opposite angle G. Same thing, we want to start with the largest. So between 18, 27, and 33, 33 is the largest side. So angle B is the largest. The next one we have is 27. The angle opposite is angle C. And then last we have 18, and the angle opposite 18 is angle A. So again, this one went from largest to smallest. Largest to smallest.